So nomenclature or naming, it is the standardization of name of organism such that an organism is known by same name all over the world. Scientific name of mango, Mangifera indica, that of honeybee, Apis indica. The system of naming with two components is called binomial nomenclature. The system of naming with two components is called binomial nomenclature. This system of naming is given by Carlos Linnaeus. This system of naming is given by Carlos Linnaeus. The names for plants are based on the rules in ICBN, that is International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. And the scientific name for animals are given by ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. ICBN and ICZN. ICBN, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, and ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. The rules of binomial nomenclature. Scientific names are in Latin or Latinized and written in italics. When handwritten, they are underlined separately. So when you are writing, also careful that underline the generic name and species name and underline them separately. When we are writing the generic name always starts with capital letter and the specific epithet with small letter. Then the author's name is given at the end of specific epithet and it in abbreviated form. Here, Mangifera indica Linn. That means this species was first identified or described by Linnaeus. So today I am giving a homework to write the scientific name of cat, dog, lion and wheat. So when you are writing the notes, you have to write the scientific name. While writing, you follow these rules also. Dear students, we are not having direct classroom interaction. So you have to go through the videos 2 or 3 times. If you have any doubt, directly you can contact me. Okay?